Hi everyone, my name is Ishan and I will be your host today presenting this presentation on behalf of my school Birla Open Minds LB Nagar. This is my project called Sentinel, a drone detection system. It's a small proof of concept that shows how we can use sensors and AI to spot drones flying nearby. These days, drones are everywhere. People use them for photography, deliveries, or just for fun. But sometimes drones can go where they shouldn't be, like near airports or border areas. That can be risky because they might disturb flights or capture private data. The problem is that normal security systems can't always detect small drones fast enough. So, I wanted to build something that can help find them earlier. My idea was to make a road detection system that can sense drones using both video and radio signals. It uses a camera to watch the sky and the sensor that records to radio frequencies. The same drone types used to talk to their controllers. I wrote a Python program that takes this data and checks if there's a drone might be nearby. If it finds a drone, it gives an alert on the screen. It's simple, safe, and made for learning. Here's how Sentinel works. The camera looks for drones using an AI. The camera looks for drones using an AI. Basically, a program trained to recognize what a drone looks like. At the same time, an RF receiver checks the air for 2.4 GHz or more signals which are used by drones. If both match, like a drone is seen and a signal is found, it's almost certain that a drone is flying nearby. The system then shows that on the screen. I also made sure that Sentinel is built responsibility and it doesn't record faces or people. Only drones. Everything is designed for learning and safety. It's not meant to jam or stop drones, just detect and alert. That way, it's safe, simple, and ethical. In the future, we want to add RF jamming or any such any such methods so that we can stop drones from entering or give them a clear warning. This project is still a prototype, but I already have plans for what comes next. In the first stage, I want to test it outdoors and see how it performs with real drones. In the second stage, I'll add better sensors like thermal or ultrasonic sensors to improve accuracy. And in the final stage, I like to make a small portable version that can that can be used for drone safety lessons in schools or airports. Step by step, I want to make Sentinel smarter and more reliable. If this project grows, it could be developed further with support from schools or tech labs. We could run more tests, improve the software, and even design a mobile app to view detection. This could also help teach how sensors, AI, and coding can solve real world problems. To contact us, please message us at ishankrishnanavicity@gmail.com. The spelling of the email address will be given on the screen. Thank you. We are from Birla Open Minds LV Nagar. Credits to my friends Y. Aditya Reddy, Power Vihan, and Maripalli Ritvik. Thank you.